Hi everyone, I am Dr Muniraj, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist. I welcome all PG aspirants to Concept NEETPG Crash Course, which is going to be held at Chennai from March 19th to May 7th. I will teach you dermatology based on basics, concepts, images with so many clinical pictures and so many examples of clinical scenarios. Why this? Because in this order you can understand the topics better and you won't forget easily, your memory lasts longer. I will cover dermatology, usually starts from immunobullous disorders, psoriasis vulgaris, genital ulcers, and genital discharges, and syndromic management. Why this? When you take previous year question papers, usually you will get 8 to 9 questions from dermatology. Plenty of questions usually come from these topics. So, in this order and from these topics, you can easily diagnose, you can easily crack dermatological clinical scenario questions. Once again, I request to all you to make use of this grand NEET PG crash course in concept from March 19th to May 7th. All the best. Thank you.